It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to install and how you can get started with CapCut video editing app. Step by step tutorial without any stress. So but before we dive into the tutorial, if you're already new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell so each time I post a valuable content about video editing with CapCut app tutorial like this, you'll be notified. So that being said, let's dive deep into the tutorial and see how to install and how you can get started with CapCut video editing app software. Step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So welcome my friends. So let's see how to get started with CapCut video editing app. The first thing we want to do is to make sure we head over to our Play Store right here. If you are using Android phone, you have to go to your Play Store, but if you are using iPhone, just go to your iPhone store and you're going to search for CapCut video editing app. But in this tutorial, I'm using Android phone, so I'm going to click on my Play Store right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to make use of my search engine right here. So what I'm going to do is to just type in CapCut. So you can see the result right here, CapCut. So I'm going to click on that. Then here is the app. So this is what we need to download. So I'm going to click on install. After a successful install CapCut video editor, next thing we want to do is to make sure we click on open to run the setup on our phone. Then click on agree and continue. Boom. So you will be taken to the interface of CapCut video editing app. So let me walk you through step by step some of the key and some of the things you need to know about CapCut app. Okay, so the very first one I would like to explain in this video about CapCut video editing app is this particular icon right here. So if you click on this particular icon, it means that you want to log in fully into the app. You can use these options to log into the app, either your TikTok account, your Google account, or sign in with email, or sign in with your Facebook account. So you can use any of these options to log in successful into the account, or better still, you can go ahead and do whatever you want to do with the app if you don't want to log in with your detail. And the 41st tab right here is remove background. This remove background can be used to remove any video background, whether green screen background or complex video background. You can use this particular section here to do that. Then the next to it is video editor. And the video editor is a situation whereby you can, if you want to do image to video and you want to enhance your video and you want to enhance your photo, you can make use of the video editor to increase the resolution of your picture, sizes, etc. Then right here we have auto cut. It's a situation whereby you want to cut some part of your video. You can use this particular button. The next to it here is text to image. This is just like AI. You need to write in your text and the CapCut will generate a cool video for you. Okay, so if I click on expand right here, you're going to see more information as far as this is concerned. So under this section here, so we have product photos, AI poster, camera, retouch, auto caption, teleprompter, AI model, and image enhancement. These are some of the new features about CapCut. Okay, and then from here you can explore each of the tab right here and see how you can work on them step by step. And in my future tutorial, I will make a lot of comprehensive tutorial on how you can actually use each of these particular tools right here to create fantastic video or image to video or text to video, etc. Now for the section right here where you have a new project, this is where you need to upload your file. If you click on new project, make sure you click on allow. Then make sure you want to send us, just click on cancel. Now here you can bring in video, images, and what have you. So let me just insert a video clip. All right, so having select a video, next thing I'm going to do, I will click on add right here. Then the video is going to load into the timeline, just like what you see right here. So we are going to explain some of the features in this particular section. Right here, we have editing tab, then we have audio tab, we have text tab, then we have overlay, video overlay tab. We have different effects here. We have aspect ratio. We can swipe this way and see more tools as far as this is concerned. Some of the tools below right here is same thing and similar to what we have in the beginning interface of this particular software. Okay, so we can swipe this way and see all our video in the video timeline right here. Okay, now from the top right here, this has to do, from the top right here is a video resolution. So if I click on here, then you're going to see a various resolution of the video. So right here, this video by default is already in 1080p, which is regarded as higher resolution. If you want to produce 4K video setting, then you have to make sure you increase the option right here to 4K video. And you see, when we increase to 4K video, we have huge amount of megabyte file size. Okay, so by the time we take it back to 1080 pixels, then we have 199 MB. Then you can also produce a resolution video file of 720. So let's take it back to 720, and you're going to see the file size is going to be drastically reduced. So you can see we have 166 file size. So all these options of resolution here has to do with what exactly you want to achieve in terms of video resolution. Then the next one right here is frame rate. Frame rate also here, most of the recognized and recommended frame rate is always 30 frame rate per second, but nevertheless you can still increase it to 50 frame rate if you really want to achieve a very high video quality. You can also make it 60 frame rate, but if you are producing your video content for YouTube, it is advisable you just put it in 30 frame rate. So by that, your video can be uploaded very faster on YouTube platform. Then the coder rate bit rate right here, you can leave it in low as recommended, which is the one right here. So this is what you need to know as far as video resolution is concerned. So let's quickly go back to the home page right here. So these are everything about interface, installation, and how you can get started with CapCut video editing using just your phone, whether you are using iPhone or you are using Android phone. This is exactly how you get started. In my future tutorial, I'm going to make a lot of video about how you can actually use this particular CapCut video app to create or to produce a very high resolution with different effects, and how you can actually use this CapCut app to produce a very high quality video for your next project. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about CapCut video editing software. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.